Calling case 230-602-1101. People of the state of Michigan versus Michael DeJohn McIntosh. Defendant is charged with count 1, unlawful imprisonment. Count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Defendant is labeled as a habitual offender for offense notice, mandatory 25-year sentence. Today is the date and time for the bond redetermination hearing.
Judge, always a privilege, and good morning. It's Steve Vincent for the people, P71917.
Good morning, Your Honor. True Science appearing on behalf of YouTube.
Judge, and good morning. May it please this honorable court. Philip Reagan, P57156 on behalf of Mr. McIntosh.
Mr. McIntosh, state your name for the record.
Your Honor, I'd like to represent myself in this bond hearing. My name is Michael McIntosh.
Okay. Well, sir, you have a right to have counsel. We have counsel here present for you, and you are rejecting having the House counsel, and you would like to represent yourself?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. We will have Mr. Reagan here just in case you change your mind, but your bond is currently $50,000. You may begin your defense.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you for this opportunity.
Sir, just to make sure we're clear, we're not arguing facts today. We're just arguing bond. So continue. Bond,
yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, okay. As far as bond goes, Your Honor, I've been at the time of arrest, 10/26. I'm working full time, 2 jobs, working approximately 60 hours per week. And I've been working. This alleged incident occurred on 8/20. Now I was picked up, arrested on 10/26. So that was like more than 60 days later since this alleged occurred incidents happened. I was working 2 jobs, about 60 hours a week, 6 days per week, successfully working.
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey does this have to do with your bond?
Monday through Saturday for about a year. I was released from prison 10/18/22. I told the parole board I would have a job within 3 weeks. I've been working, and I got a job within 3 days. And I've been working at that job, the same job, from 3 days out of prison until the current time of arrest. And so I personally, I would request a personal bond, Your Honor. And this person, the alleged victim, was nothing more than a girlfriend that I providing works. I felt sorry for her, and I provided works, rides to work for her approximately 5-6 months. So I would respectfully ask that you consider a personal bond, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Prosecutor?
Judge, very, very, very serious allegations here regarding this individual. He's on parole for both an AWIM as well as weapons, felony firearms. You can see not only that, he has prior multiple convictions that he ended up getting paroled for. So bad to the point now where it's a half-for mandatory 25 years. As much as I do respect the fact that the defendant has been working, it doesn't take away from the significance of this particular incident, which, Judge, quite honestly, is scary. To the point where we have an individual allegedly covering another individual with some type of clothing after taking off, Judge, apparently shoes and other parts of clothing, and then Judge, we have allegedly holding her for all intent and purposes like a hostage, imprisoning her unlawfully, wanting to get away. She can't get away. And then let's talk about the injuries, which there were, because allegedly there was punching and strangling. Your Honor, highly assaultive. If this was my case, I would have been asking for more in terms of it. I think it's a $50,000 cash bond, tether house arrest, based on the nature of the offenses, based on the allegations here, again, Judge, which supremely would scare anybody, let alone this complainant, which she said she was in fear. Respectfully, we're going to be asking for that cash bond against him.
Sir, what are your work? Sorry, hold on, Mr. McIntosh. What are your work hours?
my work hours are approximately 7:30 a.m. to approximately 1:30 p.m. And I would leave that job and go straight to another job approximately 2 p.m. until about 7 p.m.
Okay.
I really like to debut on his statement, Your Honor. Your Honor, this alleged incident, this incident that the prosecutor mentioned was over 20 years ago when I was arrested. About 20 years, occurred about 20 years ago in 2004. I have gone all these years without committing a crime, Your Honor. That incident when I was arrested for was occurred in 2004. Okay. I went 16 years in prison without committing crimes, without getting major violations, and also, too, Your Honor, the prosecutor states that the harm to the alleged victim, Your Honor, police were called to the alleged victim's house, and the alleged victim refused EMS. Didn't need any medical attention. So I object to that, Your Honor. So I humbly ask that you give me a personal bond, because this is someone that I dated, and it was just more so just someone that I dated and I continuously dated, and I felt sorry for her because she had 5 kids, and I wanted to continue providing rides for her to work, which I continually did for about 5-6 months, Your Honor.
Understood, sir. Court haven't heard the arguments of counsel, and the court finds that the $50,000 cash bond is an unaffordable bond. In order to have an unaffordable bond, there must be a showing that either the defendant is a danger to the community or to the complaining witness, or that he or she is a flight risk. In this case, we do not have any allegations of flight. The question is whether Mr. McIntosh is a danger to the complaining witness or to the community. Court does find, based on these allegations, that a danger there is a danger. Damn! The court is going to, so therefore, the court can't issue an unaffordable bond. The court, however, based on the court is going to reduce the bond from the $50,000 cash to $50,000, 10%, with a GPS tether, a curfew of 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. and a no contact with the complaining witness. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You said that, did you say 5,000, 10%?
No, I said 50,000, 10%, and GPS tether, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew, and a no contact with the complaining witness.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.